Alright guys, welcome back to another week. Sorry for yesterday, we didn't have any videos, for myself at least. I was a bit sick, was doing some competitions on Sunday, and therefore I woke up on Monday, couldn't even move my neck, but now I'm fine. It's all good to go for this week. Now, what I want to touch base today is the USA inflation, okay? Because I'm not saying that the USA is lying to us, but the data that came in from the last CPI, lower than expected, it's not making me look good in a sense of, this data is not looking good to me in a sense of there's something in there that they are not talking to us, okay? So I have a very, very interesting way of describing it right now. So stay with me until the end of this video, that right in the end, I'm gonna give my opinion about the US dollar, okay? So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, so please do, and give us a thumbs up on this video, share this content with your friends, and if you have any questions about the inflation, about the macroeconomics, about anything in the world, just pop down in the comments. All right. Now, we had the last release of inflation coming lower, didn't we? So good, right? But I've had separated right now, right in my desk before coming to the studio here, I separated some of the little things that the media is not covering. All right? It's public access. You can go and access it right now. But this pitch of we are getting inflation down, but still have lots and lots to work to do, I get it already, okay? Everyone got it already. Now, some of the inflations here are not mentioned everywhere. I'm not mentioning in the media, not getting mentioned in articles and nothing. But if you go to the BLS, the Bureau of Labor Statistics from the USA, you can definitely have a look on that. And those six, all right, there's 6 things that are making me pay attention very, very close to the inflation. And are they? So the first one is the rent inflation at 5.4%. Okay, first of all, inflation is at 3.4, 3.2, that area there on USA, okay? Let me just confirm it here, 3.5, okay? And the target is 2.0, and the actual is 2.7. Okay, so a 3.5 inflation from the target, that is true, we still have 1.5 to reduce, all right? And this is the hardest part to do, and I'm saying this is the hardest part to do. So the central bank comes to the media, comes every time and always say we have to maintain the rate higher for longer because inflation is 3.5. But they don't mention the basket, and they don't see what actually is happening on the market, all right? They don't show what is actually happening on the market. So let's have a look at those numbers. So the rent inflation right now is at 5.4%. The homeowner inflation is at 5.8%. Car insurance inflation is at 22.6% inflation. And the car repair inflation is at 7.6%. Transportation inflation is at 11.2%. And the US price index, the producer, the PPI, for cement and concrete product manufacturing rose to 247.8% from the last month's 247.5%. So you still have lots and lots of rising. And if the cement is rising, then constructions will be expensive. Therefore, lenders will have to get higher rates. Therefore, tenants will have to pay more rent on top of the property. So I don't see how they are controlling it. All right, I can't actually look at the market right now and say, okay, yeah, it's controlled. We don't have to worry. No, it's very, very uncontrolled at this moment, and it makes me fear about this. All right, so it feels like that it's an endless struggle from the central banks to try to keep inflation rates at the area that they want, the 2%, the 3%, that bend from 2 to 3%. So this is from USA, okay? We could do an analysis more deeper on other countries as well. But tonight, I will be disclosing everything that look, everything is here, lots and lots of images, and I want to show to you guys tonight at my webinar. So if you're not yet registered to today's webinar, the 21st of May, so do it. From 5 to 6 p.m., I will be live. It's not a recording, it's live. You can ask me questions, I'm going to answer your questions. I'm going to be showing you my screen, I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to do, anything you want to know, I will be there to help you. So the ways to register is very easy. Just to go at the description of the video, click into the link of the description that says something about the webinar registration, or link to the webinar, and then it will go to another page for ACY website, and then just wait for the page to load and put your email in there, and you will be fine. We will send you an email with the link for the Zoom today, this afternoon. Now, if you stay with me until the end, here is the gift for me to you. What I think about the US dollar. Most of the traders, most of the analysts from last week, they thought about the US dollar is dead, but it's not, because the market is not the market is not pricing this inflation right now. So give it 5 to 6 months and you will see that the US dollar, yes, is still the king, okay? And euro dollar, there is a potential to come down, okay? Maybe we're gonna revisit the 109, 110, but after that, we probably will price in the market, okay? So this is my view for the US dollar. If you want to know the whole concept, the whole idea behind it, be ready for tonight. And if you haven't liked the video yet, please do it. Click on the thumbs up for us and share this video with your friends. Guys, I hope everyone have a lovely week ahead, and I see you in the next video, and I see you tonight as well. Bye-bye.